grow too fast. They supposed to grow with me. Don't get this low. How I get on camera. That was bad. I'm sick too, y'all. So good morning, vlog. I say vlog. Good morning, y'all hoes. It's like I don't curse on my channel. Anyways, good morning, y'all. I'm sick, and that's great, right? No. Anyways, I'm sick, and I don't know I'm sick. But anyways, I'm gonna be vlogging today. Well, let me do a proper intro. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shanae, and I'm back with another video. And if you are new, check out some old videos. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe down below. But anyways, I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna vlog today. It's like 11 something. And why my manager tried to text me and try to tell me to come in today after she gave me today off. Like, come on, shawty. Anyways, I need to finish my project. I only got like a few more slides to do, and I'm gonna show y'all it because yeah, don't mind my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna do my project. I'm gonna fold up my clothes because yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, brush my teeth, try to do something to my hair. We're supposed to be going to look at the dog today, get dog stuff. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, I want to get my nails done today, but I don't want to go to, yeah, anyways. So right now, I'm just gonna get into doing my project. Y'all gonna see a little bit of it, because I really need to get it done because it's due on the 29th. But we have more than enough time to get it done, so I only got like a few more things I need to do to it, so that's what we're gonna do now. So we get up and like get my book bag. Because baby, this book bag has been right here since break started. Don't blame me. Should we let some sunlight in today? I'll just see y'all when I get to my project or whatever. Currently, my Chromebook is on like 1%. It's gonna die. Oh, it just died. Wow. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just charging my Chromebook before I can even do anything. And I thought I was gonna hustle on that 1%, but it said psych. So we gotta charge the Chromebook, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I actually get started and finishing this project. All right, y'all. So I'm a Chromie or whatever. This is my project. It's basically a project about what you want to do in life, but don't get cocky because it's 2 parts of this, and you gotta do a part where you budget and all that. And I'm just put out there now, life is not cheap, okay? And I'm not finna be living paycheck to paycheck, baby. Anyways, I'm about to finish this project and call my friend. I think that's pretty much it, because I mean, y'all don't want to watch me do this, do y'all? But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I actually get out the bed. I'm just gonna finish this project, alright? Bye, y'all. So I'm back or whatever, and I know my shirt changed. I took out the headscarf, y'all. I really thought I was gonna do some braids in the back of my head. Gave up on that. So I'll leave those in though, because but anyways, I finished my project, y'all. It's making me even more excited about college and all that. But here it is. You already know all that big boy information or whatever. I'm not gonna. Oh, y'all can't see my college. It's like, but anyways, that's pretty much it for that project, whatever. But attach these to the thing so I can turn this joint in. And a ratchet, and like a radio, and a ratchet. You know all the greasy stuff on my face. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Even though today isn't Thanksgiving, it's like 2 days after Thanksgiving. I'm still gonna say it. Hope you guys had a good time or whatever. I hope y'all are ready to go back to school on Monday. Okay, period. But that's really that. I'm about to turn this project in, and I need to study, but I think I'm gonna study. Well, tomorrow's Sunday. We go back to school on Monday. I don't know. But I'm about to get back to y'all whenever I'm doing something else, like getting out the bed, you know. Because what I had talked to y'all at, like, what time was it? Like 11 something? It's 1 o'clock. And no, I did not spend all that time doing this project. I was on my phone, just doing everything. But I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I'm actually doing something. Peace out. Good afternoon, guys. I'm back. I'm back from the dead. Back from the dust. Yeah, I need help. You aren't picking up the phone, and now you alone and you need help. Yeah. Don't act like you don't know me, but now you know me because you need help. How you feel to be alone? Is you happy alone? You only care about yourself? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this head. I just want my voice to come in. Pause. Let me try to like get that up. So right now, I really don't know what's going on with this head. Like, I got bored and wanted to do some braids with it. Yes or no, but I might take it out. So I think I'm gonna do a slip head with the braids in the head. But anyways, I'm about to just try to get this set up and then I'm gonna talk to you. Period. Let's see what they're looking like. Let me see what they look like. I'm just about to put this here. I'm just gonna take a quick shower. I already know what I'm gonna wear today. I'm not wearing anything spectacular because today's not giving what it said it was supposed to give. So baby, we're gonna bum it out today. Well, I always just bum it. You already know. And I just came here to put y'all on. These right here, baby, it's giving, yeah. Go to the store and try those because don't play. I'm gonna play with your mother. Anyways, I know what I'm wearing today. So, you know, my LED lights are like falling, but we're not gonna touch them because they're gonna do what they want to do. Okay? So, I'm about to take a shower. And then I got to shower and get dressed, and I'm gonna make my bed because Shawty, stop being lazy. Anyways, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna get back to you guys whenever I'm finished getting ready because y'all know what to do. Y'all know what people do when they get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Deuces. I just got the shower and I'm laying down again. Oh my god, I need to stop being lazy. And I got sleepy stuff in my eye. Y'all, I just washed my face, bro. I need to go back over it. This morning when I woke up, this eye was like that with sleepy stuff. I'm like, okay. I was like, thought I was gonna be stuck like that. You know when you wake up and you don't really know what's going on. But I'm about to get dressed for real though. Yo. I'm about to get dressed. And yeah. When I come back, I'm gonna be fully ready and ready to walk out the door and ready to go. I don't know if I'm gonna drive. I don't think I'm driving. My car is dirty right now. Not even dirty, but like We're not driving my car today. But we're gonna talk to y'all when I'm ready to walk out the door. I'm back, y'all. Don't get ready. I'm not gonna leave this home. I'm just leaving it on y'all. You already know why. My voice is annoying. I can't even scream. So I'm back, y'all. My voice is getting nervous. But anyways, this is our outfit today. I'm wearing this bodysuit. You already know the vibes. With this jacket, and I'm laying on me, but I'm gonna wear these Crocs. Or I'm gonna wear my I think I'm gonna wear these today. So yeah, I'm about to put those on. You already know, in the car. And I think my grandma thought I was gonna drive. That was she was trying to walk all slow to the car. We're getting a doggy today. Well, she said we're not, but I think we are. So yeah, just stay tuned. They growing too fast. They supposed to grow with me. The baby doggies. He's so cute. Oh, so cute. I just want to grow. He's so cute. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, hey, baby. Hey, the baby, you're so cute. I love you already. I want you. I want all of y'all. He biting me. Oh, look at that one. Come here. Oh, look at that one. Hey. Oh, hey, baby. I just want to take all of you home with me. Hey. Dang, hey. Don't be mean to him. Back to the big body bins. And we didn't get the dog today. But we are getting a dog. And I fell in love. I might change my mind. No. I'm so happy. Getting a dog. And enough about the dogs. It's gonna be another video about that. So right now we're going to Piggly Wiggly. I mean, not Piggly Wiggly. Food Lion. So we get some lemons. Go to the Chinese food place to get some Chinese food. Chinese restaurant. Why are you trying to correct everything I'm saying? Chinese food restaurant. Anyways, back in the Food Lion, get some lemons. I went next door and ordered my food. I got beef and broccoli and rice and egg roll. So y'all see my food when I get it. I'm back at the house or whatever. I still sound ugly, but it's okay. This is my food, y'all. Just put you right there. Fortune. I don't even eat fortune cookies. If you eat fortune cookies, you are nasty. You know, you can't have Chinese food without your hot mustard. And last but not least, the finale. Alright, vlog. So I'm back home. Ignore that picture. But right now, I'm gonna check all these clothes put up. Like, it's a whole bunch of clothes. Like, I don't want to show y'all. But I think I'm just finna throw all these winter clothes and a chore and call it a day. That's my. I cannot wait till summertime again because, baby, I like wearing crop tops. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. And I'm gonna just talk to y'all whenever I start eating, cause I still eat it, cause I'm kind of depressed. So I'm trying. Anyways, yeah. So I look ugly, but that's okay. I'm just young. Roaches. So I'm back, whatever. I just want to call my friend and just getting those clothes put together. Did I already? Yeah, I already told y'all about that. But I'm eating my food finally. You already know the vibes. It's a giving. My grandma already ate some. But she swears she ain't want nothing. But she want to eat mine. But you know, this beef, this broccoli, this beef be busting. Right? You know, I gotta have the egg roll. And we're drinking on the body armor today. With our metal straw. Don't play. But anyway, I'm just gonna close out this video for today. Comment video ideas down below. Y'all need to start being more active. Like, I don't know what's going on with y'all, but we're not playing with that. Ain't no way we're going down. We need to be going up. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna just talk to you guys in another video. Make sure to comment, subscribe to my channel. They don't have an outro, so yeah, you already know how that goes. But eat my food, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later.